In this example, we want to factor 20m to the 4 minus 5n squared. So let's see if we can apply our difference of squares to this question. Well, we can see right away that our coefficients of 20 and 5 aren't perfect squares. So therefore, we're going to have to modify this question so we can use our difference of squares. Let's find our greatest common factor of 20 and 5 and factor that out. Well, 5 can go both into 20 and 5, so let's take out a 5 from our question. When we factor out a 5 from 20m to the 4, we're left with 4m to the 4. And then when we factor out a 5 from 5n squared, we're left with n squared. Now we can apply our difference of squares to our brackets. So let's set this up by having two different sets of brackets, and we can't forget our coefficient of 5 out front. Our first term in our brackets is going to be our first term taking the square root. So the square root of 4m to the 4 is 2m squared. So we'll write that in both brackets. Now we have to add one bracket and subtract the other. So we'll add an addition sign to our first bracket and then a subtracting sign to our second bracket. Now we have to take the square root of our second term, n squared. Well, the square root of n squared is just n, so we'll have n in both brackets. So our answer is 5, and then multiply that by 2m squared plus n multiplied by 2m squared minus n. Now let's see if our final answer is correct by using our distribution laws. So we'll multiply 2m squared by everything in the second bracket, and then our n by everything in the second bracket as well. So we'll have our 5, and then 2m squared times 2m squared is 4m to the 4. 2m squared times negative n is negative 2m squared n times 2m squared is positive 2m squared n, and then n times negative n is negative n squared. Now grouping together our like terms, we have negative 2 plus 2, which leaves us with 0. So these middle terms cancel out, and we're left with 5, 4m to the 4 minus n squared. Now we want to factor in this 5. Well, 5 times 4m to the 4 is 20m to the 4, and then 5 times negative n squared is negative 5n squared. This is the same as our original question, so therefore our factors of 5, 2m squared plus n, and 2m squared minus n were correct as our final answer.